Welcome to the Globe Food Equipment Training Session for the GFP 500 and GFP 700 series food processors. Topics of this training session include key components of the food processor installation, operating instructions, cleaning instructions, disk installation and removal. The key component portion of this video is to help you become familiar with your Globe food processor, food pusher, food hopper, continuous feed food hopper, hopper head, on-off latch, ejection chute, drive shaft. If you have not already installed your Globe food processor, refer to the owner's manual for proper instructions. Globe recommends that you clean the food processor before using it for the first time. Once cleaned, connect the food processor to a properly grounded 3-prong outlet and you're ready to begin. This section will demonstrate how to cut product using the food hopper, the continuous feed food hopper, the Chef's Choice food hopper, models GFP 550 and GFP 750 only. Using the food hopper, unplug the food processor, lift up on the on-off latch, and raise the hopper head so it rests in the open position. Place the ejector plate onto the drive shaft. Turn the plate until its slots are properly aligned with the drive pins on the drive shaft. The plate should be flat against the housing. Select the appropriate cutting disc and install it onto the drive shaft. Carefully hold the disc palm up, with the disc hub down, and place the disc onto the drive shaft. Turn the disc until it falls into place and the disc is securely on the drive shaft. Lower the hopper head. The hopper head will not close if the disc is not installed correctly. Never use force to close the hopper head. Place a food container under the ejection chute. Place the food into the hopper. Food must not extend above the top of the hopper. Lift the food pusher up and tilt it to the right until the food pusher covers the hopper opening. Push down on the on-off latch. The processor will be activated at this point. Apply gentle pressure to the food pusher. Applying heavy pressure to delicate product will result in damaged product or non-uniform cuts. Lift up on the on-off latch to stop the processor. The food pusher is also interlocked and activates the unit as long as the latch is in the on position. Pull the food pusher up to its highest position and tilt it to the left. Once all product is cut, unplug the food processor. Raise the hopper head so it rests in the open position. Remove the cutting disc and ejector plate. Before cutting the next product, remove any remaining food by quickly wiping the hopper and housing with a paper towel. The continuous feed food hopper is ideal for cutting long product. The initial setup is the same as using the other food hopper. Be sure the food pusher for the other food hopper is lowered into the hopper. Place the product into the continuous feed food hopper. While holding the plastic food pusher on the food, push down on the latch. Continue placing food in the hopper using the plastic food pusher to gently apply pressure to the product. Once all product is cut, lift up on the latch to stop the processor. The Chef's Choice food hopper is only on models GFP 550 and GFP 750 and is only activated by using the Chef's Choice cutting discs, which have pins located on the disc. These pins will activate the hopper to rotate while the product is being cut. This is what results in the specialty cuts. The operating instructions are the same as the continuous feed food hopper, with the exception that heavier pressure needs to be applied to the food due to the rotation of the hopper.